Welcome back. Sporting Club de Goa will lock horns with Salgaonkar Sports Club in a derby game of the I-League Football Championship at Nehru Stadium at Fatorda on Sunday. The clash between the two Goan clubs will bring two foreign coaches of the same clubs face to face for the first time in the I-League.
With just 1 point from 2 games, Sporting Club are eager to gain something out of the derby on Sunday. Training at the Don Bosco High School ground in Panji, Sporting are not taking their Goan rivals lightly. Knowing his opponents well, Portuguese coach Roy Barreto is also aware that local games are never easy.
A couple of times that I've seen them, they've been a very positive team. They're well organized. They're doing things well. So, it will be a difficult situation because it is a local derby. And in derbies, in my experiences with derbies, they're never easy. So we expect to fight this game through, Yeah.
Okay, which are the players which will be missing out on this match?
Well, we still have Wilton Gomes that's out. We still have Chandra who's out. So we've got about 2 or 3 players that are out of the game. Some are on their way of recovering. We'll see on Sunday.
What sort of injury are Wilton and Chandra going through?
They're going through muscular injuries at the moment, soft tissue injuries, and it's taking some time to heal.
Salgaonkar Sports Club lost 1-4 to Mahindra United in their last home game and will be naturally eager to bounce back. The Green Brigade have spent most of the week working on their deficiencies ahead of the derby game. American coach Tim Hankinson believes his side is now up with their fitness level ahead of the clash with Sporting Club.
I think our fitness has come up a great deal. I think one of the things that we have missed is playing top-level teams in the preseason. So really getting tested against Dempo, getting tested against Mahindra, are getting that level of match readiness and sharpness is something you only get from playing those matches. We didn't have a Duran Cup. We didn't have different pre-tournament opportunities to play top-class teams. So we're really getting into the frying pan, really right in the middle of the I-League season. But those experiences will add up and we'll get better and better at playing that level.
Our sports reporter Patterson Fernandez with video journalist Anil Sanandi from Panji, along with reporter Surendra Matkaikar from Vasco.
Coach of the Goan under-19 cricket team Avinash Aware feels that his batsmen are not reading the rival bowlers properly. Hosts Goa put up a disastrous performance in the ongoing Vinu Mankad Trophy South Zone League Championship.
Goa have suffered badly at the hands of Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, with their frailties coming to fore. The poor performance from the youngsters also comes as a surprise, given that this bunch of players seem to be coming up pretty well from the pre-season camp in Bangalore. Coach Aware, a former Ranji Trophy player, pointed out that batting is the main problem area. Prudent Media put Coach Aware on the spot over the team's poor performance, and this is what he had to say after the game against Andhra on Friday.
First game we really played bad. That was not expected. Then with the team against Tamil Nadu, which is the most strongest side, we really played well against them. We got around 1-9 because the defeat of first match defeat really affected in the second match batting. So we managed to score around 197. But still, even to get those 197, they took almost 41 overs. And we are a little lacking up in a batting little bit. Yeah. I think what is happening is actually that while batting, they are not able to really calculate the game actually. I mean to say, I've been telling again and again them to calculate the bowlers, look how they're bowling, read the bowlers. They're playing the game, but they're not reading the bowlers. So that's where somewhere I have to work on them. I've been telling again, but sometimes I feel there's a little bit pressure on them when it comes to state game, because when playing the club games or whatever other games, they're playing fantastically. But when taking a pressure of the state level game, bowling area has been really good.
Our sports reporter from Madgaon, Noel D'Souza, with reporter Sameer Bhatt.
Hasya Kavi Sammelan was held at the Margao Ravindra Bhavan on Friday. Many literature personalities were present at the function. Here are some of the excerpts of this Sammelan. With this, I take your leave. Take care. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.
विनोद सोनी, हम सिंगापुर में कवि सम्मेलन करवा रहे हैं, आपको बुलवा रहे हैं। मैंने कहा ठीक है, अपन भी आ रहे हैं। बोले ऐसे नहीं, सिंगापुर में कवि सम्मेलन, आपको कुछ अंग्रेजी आती क्या? यहां अपन झोल खा गए। आती क्या? मैंने कहा आती। कितनी आती? मैंने कहा बहुत आती। वो बहुत सही समझ गए कितनी आती। बोले ऐसे नहीं, वो सामने गेट के पास एक लड़की खड़ी है, उसको अंग्रेजी में मंच पर बुलाओ। अब इतनी अंग्रेजी मुझे आती थी, मैं पढ़े लिखे लोगों के साथ रहता हूं, मैंने फौरन आवाज लगाई, बेबी कम हियर। बेबी मंच पर, बेबी मंच पर। आयोजक भी खुश, अपन भी खुश। अब फिर वो बोला वापस जाने के लिए कहो अंग्रेजी में। ये मुझे नहीं आती थी, ये मुझे नहीं आती थी, लेकिन झोल नहीं खाने का, मराठी मानुस झोल नहीं खाने का। अपन ने क्या किया, अपना भेजा लड़ाया और खुद उतर के गेट के पास गए और वहां जाके आवाज लगाई, बेबी।
क्या बात है, बहुत अच्छा। कि एक नेता को एक सांप ने डसा, नेताजी मजे में, सांप चल बसा।
मैं कल सवेरे जैसी घर से निकला, मेरे घर के सामने एक भिखारी आ गया, भीख मांगने लगा। मेरी पत्नी उस पर गर्म हो गई, बोले इतने हट्टे कट्टे होकर भीख मांगते हो, कुछ काम धाम क्यों नहीं करते? भिखारी ने उल्टा पत्नी से कह दिया, तुम भी तो इतनी खूबसूरत हो, स्मार्ट हो, फिल्मों में ट्राई क्यों नहीं करती?